on the
Thanks for coming, guys. Ken, what up? Eva, thanks.
And little go hunter.
Oh, thanks. You rude boy, you rude boy. Oh.
He left you hanging.
I'm still fly, let's go.
Man, these shoes have zero grip. Morning, guys, it's the day of the show. And we're here still trying to put on our side skirt. We haven't even left Calgary yet, but we're on time. Now, it takes about 3 hours to get from Calgary to Edmonton. Right now it's 7 a.m. Setup's around 10 to 11. I'm looking at my wrist like I have a watch. According to my calculations, we should be there just on time. Now, it takes approximately anywhere between 5 to 8 hours for the JB weld to dry. Hopefully this will hold. We driving 3 hours with this kit. This is a true shakedown.
Now say it with your chest.
The trust. Look how red our sky is right now. And it's all because of the burning forest fires in BC. Like, it's a good and bad thing. It gives us beautiful weather here, but it's also super bad to breathe in. Okay, so we got the FRS going, the Supra. And here's the crew. You vlogging?
Yes, sir.
Vlogging, I'm vlogging.
Vloggers.
Good morning.
I just wanted to show these guys the red sun is so sick.
Oh, yeah. Not that red. Yeah.
I didn't charge my battery.
Oh, what?
This is gonna be a ride for 3 hours.
I had to go from BMW to BMW.
Yeah, quite the big jump. I bought this at a really nice truck stop. It's a 12-volt dual fan. Gonna attach this to my mirror somehow and have it pointing towards my face. This thing hasn't had AC in almost 3 years. All right, guys, the crew's here. I think we're just gonna see you in Edmonton because I don't want to go through the effort of videoing that entire trip. I've done it so many times on this channel already. All right, go Jen. This kid, I'm gonna drop off with my friends for the day. Seems like he wants to go. Oh, who's that? You see that? Who's that? Figured Bobby's was on the way towards the outer parts of Calgary, going to Edmonton. Oh, we're going. Look who it is. There he is. Who's that? Oh, you guys are gonna have adventure today. Yo, okay, Bobs, I'll leave ya. Have a good day, guys. Look at that. He's ready. Now, before I leave, I gotta reinforce some parts. I'm just hoping I got some tape in my magical bag of wonders. Oh, we got tape. Not the best kind, but it'll do. See this? Flaps in the wind. So we're just gonna do this, okay? For now, for now. Also here. This is just temporary. Sick. Everyone's already eating, so this is cool. We'll see you guys at Edmonton. First one there. Oh shit! Made it, guys. That was a quick 2 hours, 2.5 hours-ish. Pretty smooth roads and clear skies, so no worries on the way out. Quickly just washing the cars, but then we're gonna head straight down to the venue because I think we're late, as per usual. Legit society. We'll get settled, set up the booth once we know where we are, and then I'm probably gonna take like a 5-10 minute power nap. We made it! We made it! What's up, son? We're gonna come check it out. Okay. I've never seen that before, man. Evo 9 wagon, that's insane. And look who's right behind us.
Hi! We made it. We're in Edmonton. We're right behind each other.
All right, we'll talk to you in a bit, homie.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya.
That's the guy.
Thanks, guys. I'm done for the day. Oh, what is that?
Personal fan, so I don't die.
Yo, I had one, but it's like 10 times worse than this. It's like a wristwatch fan.
Really? I feel like that's so dangerous.
Exactly, right? Thank you. Yes. Okay, so before the show actually starts and they start letting people in, let's go for a little walk around and show you some of the cars that are here. Go ahead. Oh, just taking a peek.
Yep.
Freaking crazy setup, dude. He has like 2. Damn. Macari. Oh, yo, this looks insane, man.
Thank you.
Job song. I wasn't expecting blue. Oh my, guys. This is brand new Pandem A90 by Song and Mercari boys. Man, it's looking good, bro.
Thank you.
Wow. This is ridiculous.
It was like real red for me, man.
Me too. Look how fat, guys. Oh, this, look.
That's an afterthought, eh?
Yeah. I love the livery design. It reminds me of GT racing.
Apparently they're gonna do a Gundam one, but they didn't follow through.
That would have been a sick choice too. Full carbon lip. Of course, this guy's bagged. Go big or go home, guys. Bro, the booth is looking sick.
Thanks, bro.
Damn.
We're supposed to have like 17 cars, but
What?
you know how it goes.
Right.
We're like from that flag down there.
Yeah. Jeez, man. Whole aisle. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
It's freaking sick. Skittles Miata crew.
Be with you every second of my life. Sometimes it's
Honored BK2. Ian's beautiful Genesis. We're so scared. Go for the vlog.
when you run from the truth. Oh, darling, let me be your mountain.
Perfect for road trip.
Netflix and chill.
Ganda. Yes, I love the art, man. This is specifically.
We got some A90s, we'll give it to you, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's an all
sick.
change in credit card. Like,
What?
if you want some anime too, go ahead, man. Go ahead, man.
Oh, I'll come back with stickers for you guys, okay? I'm just gonna grab Nell.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Thanks. Oh, salamat. Those guys hooked it up. Beautiful. Mark 5 wheels on a Mark 4. They actually look good. Hello. Hello. Custom decals. Oh man, your booth looks so nice. I think I'm gonna have my hood open for the show. And I'm just looking for a hood prop. We'll use this. That's sick. What is this? What? How can I freaking get a ticket? $200 fine, what the fuck? Doors don't do that. What is this? This is fake, dude.
Doors don't do that.
I have a feeling I know exactly who this is. It was that cop we took a video of earlier. They're just going around ticketing people. Stupid. And this is why I love the XB. Windows are tinted. We can just go in here and people watch people watching our cars. I mean, it's dark in here, but hey, we can eat and we can vape.
A few moments later.
Freaking hot in here, bros. Grab my water.
I'm shy.
Oh, appreciate the support, brother. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I owe you a lot.
Hey, Ingat. These are the guys with the crazy builds. That green FD that you guys have seen.
You've seen it before, it was even built at my
Yeah, exactly. Dude,
Yeah.
you were still doing Bondo work and stuff. Yeah, that's crazy. See you guys. See ya. That's a Liberty Walk shirt?
Yeah.
What? That's so cool.
Oh, that's awesome. What?
They're gonna be 20, and then they're gonna be like, yo, we've been your fans for 20 years. That's where like the yay high.
And there's like, come to our booth, and they have like freaking Liberty Walk everything. Yo, they're hand-me-down cars. He's fresh. Hi. What's up, buddy? Yeah.
They wanted you from the beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning.
Wow.
When this car used to be like green.
Yeah, you've seen the change, right?
Yeah, we saw the change.
Dang.
We didn't know you'd be here.
Because of the yellow RX-8.
Oh, no way. Oh, sweet. Yeah, I love that thing, man. Appreciate the support, guys. Thank you, thank you. Yo, Ken, thanks for the drinks, homie.
No problem.
Look. All the matchas.
So I decided to do one last walk around before the show ended just to see more cars, and this is what I captured.
Yeah, look at that. This is all done by Thomas himself, man. Red Dragon. Whoa.
I know.
This is a truck setup.
And then this counterpart on this side. This.
Damn. Yeah. These are the people who really care what they look like. Hot! Humid!
33 degrees.
Good thing I didn't bring Gohan. He would have died here. But yeah, it was a good turnout. The thing is though, these guys are gonna stay here for the full night, whereas I'm gonna head back to Calgary right away. So these guys can chill.
So all in all, another amazing show, and it kind of gives you an idea of how a small part of Western Canada represents in the car scene. Honestly, this weekend there were a ton of builds that I have never seen in this city. It's cool to see where people's time and effort, especially these past couple years, has gone, you know? After all, we don't build cars to win awards, is what I like to say. I build them to drive the award. Like if you just stay in your own lane, do it for the passion, all the good things will come after. Did want to do a rollout cinematic, but this is where I ran out of batteries. We'll just see you guys back in Calgary.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But